Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to learn how to add a running text. Running texts allow you to add animated, scrolling messages like the ones you see at the bottom of the screen on the news. So here's how to do it. Go to the Add button on the top left. Go to Text. Here, scroll down until you find the running text option. And if you'd like to see more designs or templates, click on See All. Feel free to select one that you'd like to use. And once you find something you like, you can simply click on it and it'll be added to your page. Go ahead and position it wherever you want to place it. To edit what it says, simply click on it to select it and then click on Edit Text on the action bar above. Here on the small window, you can change the text to whatever you'd like it to say. Once you're done, your changes will automatically be saved. And if you'd like to see it in action, try previewing it by clicking on Preview here. And as you can see, it works just fine. And that's it. That's how you add a running text onto your Wix Harmony site. We hope you found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.